Alrighty, now that we have the AI character blueprint created and copied over, now we got to create the blend space and the animation blueprint. So we're going to right click just like before, make animation blend space, and this time it's going to be the mutant AI character. We're going to call this mutant AI-BS for blend space. And then we're going to right click again. We're going to do animation once again. And like before, for the character, we're going to do animation blueprint. And again, this time select for the mutant or whatever character for your AI that you are choosing. And we're going to go ahead and call this mutant AI-BP. And now just to keep consistency, I'm going to call AI mutant AI instead of just AI. Alright, and now we are going to move on to making the blend space.